friends and family, I'm Sharita with Unique by Sharita. I recently went shopping at Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's, and I purchased some items for my fall look, and I want to share with you all what I purchased. But before I do, just want to let you know I got a couple of things already placed where it's going, and I have the rest of the items over on the dining room table. I'll do another video later on to show you where I placed those items, but for now, let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you all are these 3 glass pumpkins I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Grateful, blessed, and thankful. I have them displayed on my candle holders. I'll come back to those. This pillow was purchased from Home Goods. I think I saw one similar at Hobby Lobby. This one was $24.99. I've already replaced the pillow insert with a feathered down pillow. Let's go back to the pumpkins. They were $5.99 at Hobby Lobby with 40% off. I just love them. I had to get them. They had plenty of those, so if you need to go back and get some, I'm sure you'll find them at your local Hobby Lobby. Let's move over to the table where everything is at, and as you can see, I am bringing some purple or aubergine, if that's what you want to call it, into my hearth room. So let's start with this piece I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $70, but of course 40% off. Pretty sure I could have made it, but I'm taking the easy way out. So that came from Hobby Lobby. This was gifted to me from my friend. I went to Hobby Lobby's like 3 times and I kept forgetting to get this. I'm going to put it in my front entrance, I believe. This pillow came from Home Goods and it was $19.99. Now, I did see this one at Hobby Lobby and it was $29.99. So do the math. Yes, $30 with 40% off. So you'll end up paying like $18 if it was $29.99. So that pillow is a better deal at Hobby Lobby. So they do have that one in stock. Just look for the pillow display. Got these lights from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to put it inside the pumpkin. I'll show you that in a minute. And they were $7.99 and I used the coupon. They ended up being $4.80. These came from Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm going to jazz those up. I'll put some glitter, some diamonds and beads and things like that on it. Got this one from Hobby Lobby. The price isn't on it, but I'm almost sure it was like $2.99 with the discount. These bronze color, I think you may have seen them in my recent video I did showing some lamps that I recently spray painted and glittered up. So I got those. They were $6 plus 40% off. I got these, are so pretty. They were $5 with 40% off from Hobby Lobby. Majority of the stuff I got was from Hobby Lobby. So these also, I got 3 of these. They came from Hobby Lobby with the discount. They were $4.20 each. Got these from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I'm going to keep these. I do like the fall look, but they almost look a little too country for my taste. They were $10, so I paid $6 for them. Got these picks from Hobby Lobby, and they were $5, so I paid $3 for them. You're so pretty. I only got 2. Also got these little stems and they were $8 and I paid about $5 each. These were $22 and they were 40% off. Those were at Home Goods. I purchased this some time ago. It was $12.99 a board. Just wanted to bring it into the haul from Home Goods. Got these stems. Show them to you this way. Okay. These were $7, but they were 40% off also at Michael's. Got those from Michael's. Got these from Michael's. And they were $6 with 40% off. Let me give you a good look of that. So really I got a lot of florals and pumpkins. And I got these. They were $7 with 40% off. And I got these little pumpkins. I spelled out her last name. They were $6 each with 40% off, so they were $3.60 a piece. And I got this pumpkin, which I'm going to dress it up, glitter it down, spray paint the inside, put a candle or something in the inside along with these lights here. You know, you can put a candle in them, you can put a pumpkin in them, but I'm going to dress it up and deck it out with some glitter and all of that kind of stuff. Spray paint, diamonds, bejewel it, I don't know. But that's what I got, you guys. I just wanted to share my haul, give you a look of everything. Yep, that's it. So I already cleaned the space over there. I cleaned the space over here a little bit. As you can see, I started with the little leaf. I'm going to add some pumpkins or something to it. And I also pre-prepped my fireplace mantle. So that is it. And I'll do a video showing where I put everything after the fact. All right, friends and family, that's the end of this video. Thanks again for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll know when I post my videos. If you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.